In this video, we are going to walk through how to use the QR codes printed on your work orders so you can navigate and process jobs using a tablet, mobile phone, or any device capable of scanning a QR code. First, inside of FloorVisio, click on View. Hover over Settings, click on System Settings. Scroll down and locate the settings, use barcodes and QR codes, make sure this is checked, and use QR codes, make sure this is checked, and click Save Settings. These settings enable QR functionality on your work orders. Please note, any work orders printed before these QR code settings are turned on will have to be reprinted in order to have the QR codes printed on them. Next, on your mobile phone or tablet, you will need to log into FloorVisio. If you have not done this before on your mobile phone or tablet, you can watch the video titled First Time in Public Login Guide, video number IN005 for instructions on how to log in for the first time on a new device. This tutorial walks you step by step through logging into your FloorVisio system. Once you are successfully logged in, you are ready to begin using QR codes on the shop floor. You will locate a physical work order on your shop floor that has been printed. In this example, I will use this work order of 173. So I would locate this work order on the shop floor, and I see in the upper right is the QR code. Using your mobile device camera, scan the QR code. Your device will open the work order directly inside of FloorVisio. When the work order opens, you will see a message explaining the page is configured to allow you to click the barcodes instead of scanning them. This means that any barcode you would normally scan with a handheld scanner can now be tapped directly on your screen. For example, if you are ready to clock into the laser operation, simply tap the laser barcode displayed on your tablet screen. This system will bring up the clock-in screen. Enter your employee badge number and select whether you are running or setting up and click Continue. You will see that you have been clocked into work order 173. When the operation is complete, you can return to the work order, click on that same barcode again. Here we are for the laser, we'll tap on the barcode. We'll type in our employee badge. Select the same mode that we clocked in on and click Continue. We will fill in this form as we need to and click on Clock Out. That is how you use QR codes in FloorVisio to manage work orders directly from a mobile phone or tablet, giving your team flexibility and efficiency right on the shop floor.